Hey, good afternoon. Steve Zimmerman coming to you from the private master's balcony at my Gulf Harbors listing, 5451 Westshore Drive, Newport Richey, Gulf Harbors, Florida, 34652. It's a beautiful Friday. I hope you've had a good week. If you're interested in Florida's waterfront lifestyle, I'd love to show you my listing here. There's a pool, 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, about 4,790 square feet. Does come with a mooring lot, deeded mooring lot. You can give me a call or text me, 727-534-3226. Or you can email me at steve@stevenzimmerman.com. Or go to my website, StevenZimmerman.Realtor. And check out any other of the wonderful Florida properties. We've been in Gulf Harbor since 2000, representing some of the finest waterfront and Gulf access properties. Again, if you're interested in Florida's waterfront lifestyle, give me a call or text me, 727-534-3226, or email me at steve@stevenzimmerman.com. I thank you, and if you're in the neighborhood, stop by tomorrow. We're having an open house, 5451 Westshore Drive, 34652, between 12:30 and 3:30. Be more than glad to help you with this house or any other property you might have an interest in. Okay, have a great day, have a great evening, and maybe we'll see you tomorrow. Okay, talk to you later. Thanks now.